top of the test hill. One of the highlights of the day for me, getting to see the minis making it to the top. It's quite a feat for them. It's a 1 in 8 gradient at the bottom, and then it goes down to a 1 in 5. And you get to see and hear the minis doing that. Who reckons they can make it up this hill then? It's a 1 in 5 gradient. I'd like to know, to see if you've had a go, see what it's like. I reckon I'd be alright with the final drive that I've got, but I wouldn't like to embarrass myself in front of everyone who's watching. So standing on top of the bridge, above the bank track. Sorry for squinting at the minute. Got to learn to start bringing out my sunglasses, getting back into the routine and getting back out to these shows. I did manage to bring fags and money this week. Can you imagine going around this bank track in the older days when there was no safety about at all? Gives you a pretty cool view of what was going on, and it'd be a pretty cool place to stand with a live race going on underneath you. It does give the minis a cool opportunity to park somewhere up on the bank. Enjoying seeing all of the old classic minis about today. Maybe not so much more of the new ones. There seems to be quite a few at this show, but there's still some of them that have had a lot of work done and a lot of effort has been put into them, so I can always appreciate that. I'd definitely love to take the mini round here and see what I could get up to, especially on that bank. I'm at the top of the banking at the minute. It's quite a steep hill and a nice steep walk up. How much fun would have that been to go around though? That's it from me today. Thank you to Bug for giving us a lift. Wouldn't have got here otherwise. It's always good to come to a show and a classic. It means you can kind of get involved a little bit. There's not been too many minis here and everyone's sort of leaving a little bit earlier today. Last year when I come it was a little bit more packed. But it's still cool to see the test hill, still cool to come and sit at the top of this bank and to really feel and see how steep it is. It is the first show of the year, so I suppose that's why it's a little bit quiet. It's been bad weather as well, so everyone's probably still trying to get their minis out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Brooklands Mini Day special. I'll be attending plenty more shows this year. I'll try to cover them in a similar way. I'll have to see what it comes out like at the end. I hope you enjoyed it enough to hit that thumbs up button and maybe the subscribe button too. Next mini show, I'm hoping to have my mini there, so you'll be able to come and stick your head right in. Please check out my Instagram and Facebook pages, which are @MiniDobby. They'll show you a few more pictures and behind the scenes of my adventure and of what's going on. The next specials I've already been filming. I haven't had a look at the footage yet, so I'm hoping that it's quite good. It's quite exciting stuff. I've got a couple of little projects to be showing you. I didn't ruin the teaser today by turning up in it. Heading off home now. I'm really tired. I can't wait to get home this afternoon. I'm not going to go and work on my mini. It has given me the inspiration to go and get my mini done, but not this afternoon. I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of my weekend, or what's left of it. So stay safe and be lucky.